Title: Strange Uses of Magnets. How can they harm your mobile? Intro: Suspenseful background music. Did you know that a tiny magnet could completely destroy your smartphone? Yes. Really? Today we're exploring the strange and surprising uses of magnets and how they can actually harm your mobile phone. Main body. Each point with visual examples or stock footage. Magnets are used in some of the weirdest ways you can imagine. But when it comes to phones, they can be dangerous. 1. What happens if you place your phone near fridge magnets? 2. Can magnets actually erase data from your phone or hard drive? 3. How magnets can damage your phone's screen, camera, and sensors. For the surprising effect of magnets on NFC, GPS, and wireless charging. 5. Are magnetic phone covers safe or secretly harmful? Ending. Hook to retain attention and encourage engagement. Magnets aren't just toys. They might be your phone's worst enemy. So be careful where you keep your phone and what it comes in contact with. If you found this video interesting, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech and science facts.